Alright. Advent of code. Day 3. Still in Haskell. Let's do this. Let's quickly check that the stream has sound. I'm always paranoid about that. Day 3. Alright, it does. So, day 3. Mull it over. Our computers are having issues, so I have no idea if we have any chief historians in stock. You're welcome to check the warehouse, though, says the mildly frustrated shopkeeper at the North Pole Toboggan rental shop. The historians head out to take a look. The shopkeeper turns to you. Any chance you can see why your computers are having issues again? The computer appears to be trying to run a program, but its memory, your puzzle input, is corrupted. All the instructions have been jumbled up. It seems like the goal of the program is just to multiply some numbers. It does that with instructions like mul xy, where x and y are each 0 or 3 digits, between 1 and 3 digit numbers. For instance, mul 4446 multiplies 44 by 46 to get the result of 2024. Similarly, mul 1234 would multiply 123 by 4, okay, sure. However, because the program's memory has been corrupted, there are also many invalid characters that should be ignored, even if they look like part of a mul instruction sequence, like mul 4 star or mul 6 9 exclamation mark or question mark or mul something with spaces do nothing. For example, consider the following section of corrupted memory. X, and then mul this, and then random gibberish, then mul this, then... Okay, it's basically kind of running a regex over a string. That shouldn't be too bad. Okay. Only the 4 highlighted sections are real mul instruction. Adding up the result of each instruction produces 161. So this scans the corrupted memory for uncorrupted mul instruction. What do you get if you add up all the results of the multiplications to begin get your puzzle input? Let's try with the example first and go from there. So exclave out to example, then here we can do contents, read file, example, like so. Let's make sure I have the correct content first. This, yeah, that's good. Now we will do parse corrupted memory, like so, which will take a string and will return hello, sir. Hello, you don't have to call me sir, but yes. Hello, kind sir. Hello, good sir. What are you up to? Just doing Advent of Code, small puzzle before Christmas, and I'm doing them in Haskell. I'm solving them in Haskell. In this case, we have this kind of weird gibberish string where there is actual multiplication instructions, and you basically have to parse only the ones that are correct and execute those. So I'm gonna have a string. And it's gonna return a tuple of integers, I think. Or just an integer, which will be the result of the multiplication or 0, if it's not correct. Well, let's try this way. How would I do this? So Google, which is the Haskell search engine. I too am interested in older languages like Haskell and Ada. Yeah, Ada I tried a very long time ago, but I don't know. It's a bit too much. It's too... I don't know. Haskell is weird as well in some ways, but at least the the concepts are really nice to reason about, and I discovered a lot. Ada, I feel like there isn't that much that is new, and it's just also like old and a bit cluttered. So yeah, I was learning Ada like last time. Well, if you want to work in the defense industry or do program like whatever firmware or programs they have in planes, that might be a good language to learn, but I doubt there is many open positions for those. So starts with, is there like a data string? Yeah, there is a module data string. Let's see what kind of helper function there is. Oh, there is almost none. Just unfortunately, I barely have any time to do stuff nowadays. Yeah, me as well. I just have time for Advent of Code. Well, I will have time for the first few days. After that, if it takes me like one afternoon to solve a problem, I probably just won't have any time at all. Yeah, I could do a fancy a fancy parser, but I feel like that's just too complex for this kind of thing. So, is there any kind of regex in regex compat? Data regex, mk regex. This is in the regex compat package. I would like to just use the standard library for now. Can I do like could do something stupid like this, and then would that even work? That sounds silly. That sounds silly. Hello, hey there. Thank you for your tips, Heimsvold. It was quite nice. For this, I don't know if you already did that Advent of Code day. Basically, you just have to parse this, and you know, I don't want to do a parser combinators. That looks a bit too complicated. Do you know if there is any regex like in the standard library? I doubt it, but well, to be honest, I was supposed to learn C2. Well, yeah, just yeah. If you're if you're I don't know, kind of starting out in programming, I would just say stick to only one language. Don't get distracted in too many languages. That's a bit pointless. Just program. I did today's problem with Vim commands first, then wrote a Haskell solution. Okay, yeah, I'm not doing this with in Vim. That's yeah, I see. Like you can do a macro. That's kind of neat, but yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Haskell, regex, text regex. This is regex compat. Do I have this by default? Like, import text regex. No, I don't. Pacman ss Haskell regex compat. Is there this? Oh yeah, there is. Well, let me cut my mic and install the package. Right. So the package should be installed. Does it work now? It does not. Well, I don't know. I don't want to do like the whole stack and cabal thing. Great idea. Unfortunately, my interest is embedded, and only language I know is Python. How is your interest embedded systems, but your only language is Python? That's sounds a bit curious. And unless you do everything on like the in MicroPython or anything. But yeah, if your interest is in embedded system, just learn C. In my previous job, I was doing embedded system in Rust, which is also very fun. Like on the ASP32, they have quite the complete thing. But yeah. Mm, but yeah, I don't know. Just if you're looking to get more in depth with embedded system, definitely C is good, and just sticking with C for like months and months is probably a good idea. Is there I haven't done Haskell in too long. String slice. There a way to slice? Ah, yeah, okay. It's like take and drop. Do I really want to do this? I don't think so. Oh well, I can just do drop actually. What am I saying? Can't I just do like if like let's say drop what 4 characters on S, and if this is different, yeah, different is like this in Haskell, I forgot. If this is different than mul parentheses, then we do parse corrupted memory of can we do like whatever rest, like so, rest. Like so. If well, I'm kind of doing string slicing now. If Cabal now works as well on its own. Do you mean I can just do Cabal install and it will install on my whole system? Cool, I really want to work with CPUs. Ah, also, which distro is your favorite? Well, I try to always use Arch Linux. It's just, I don't know, maybe there is better, but for like a guy that likes to tinker with Linux, I think it's the best still. Because I think it has like, there is Gen 2 or Void Linux or whatever, but those have like smaller communities. It's more niche, and Arch Linux is quite I don't know, there is enough people using it that it's quite easy to hack your way around things. And it's also, yeah, very customizable. How do I do this? So, okay, wait, what does drop do? Like GHCI. Drop is drop, like drop to. Oh, yeah, that's not what I want. I want take. Take. Orange, then you get. No, I'm not. Arch Linux is not that bad actually. Like, I don't know, if you dedicate like 1 week to it, or even less, like a few days, you'll probably get up and running decently easily. It's just the install is a bit annoying, but now they have an install script which makes things very easy to install as well. So now, if I drop for S, so I know there is a mul, and now I want to check if there is digits, so I want to do like if is there a take while? So like here I drop and then I do take while is digit. Forgot how this works in Haskell. Boom, 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 boom. I do kinda run Arch. Mine is Endeavor OS, but I heard it's basically Arch with a GUI installer. Endeavor OS. Yeah, I've never heard of it. Oh no, I mean I've heard of the name. What does it look like? Does it like just have a GUI? Is it just Arch with like a GUI built-in and stuff like that. Yeah, that's probably fine. Like, you can use that. That's fine. I mean, as well, like if you're beginning, like, I don't know, I would say focus on programming. The Linux thing is a bit kind of a hobby that you optimize your workflow years by years. Span is digits, return digits and rest. Oh, span is nice. Okay, nice. Span. But isn't there like a take while as well? Take while. Yeah, there is a take while. I'm not crazy. Okay. I will digit. There's a is digit as well. Although it's in. Yeah, it's probably built in as well. So this take while is digits. But I guess your span thing is nice as well. Span. Okay. So how would I do this? Like, well, I'm gonna do something ugly first. Let first number rest is equal to span. Span is digits this. Then if can't I do like it runs Arch kernel as well. What do you mean the Arch kernel? The Arch kernel is just Linux. No? And also great grub team. Who cares about the grub team, man? Just black and white. What do you want? You can start your computer. It's enough, you know. I don't need a theme for my grub. But sure, if you value your grub team, I guess it's good. Well, Arch has a modified kernel. Is it though? I thought it was just the latest one. Arch Linux kernel. Does it have a? Yeah, seems like it just uses the Linux kernel. Hello again from Russia. I now have 2049. Oh, you mean the time? Ah, yeah, you're like 1 hour in advance? No, 2 hours in advance. It's called like Linux Arch or something like that. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Isn't that just the architecture or something? I mean, Egypt. Egypt is only 1 hour away from here. Hey Charles, is it possible to become a low-level programmer and embedded system engineers without any formal education as a complete beginner? Well, I did embedded systems for 5 months, and I'm basically self-taught, so the answer is yes. You can basically learn any domain of computer science, any field whatsoever, self-taught. That's like the learning part is not really the issue. It's just like how do you prove to your boss or like to your future boss that you're worth hiring. That's the issue, because if you don't have a diploma, then you have to like have a solid portfolio, and you have to make some kind of connections with those people. Like you can't just send your CV just blank and with a bunch of GitHub projects and hope they will hire you. That there is a very low chance that this will work. So you have to talk to people and stuff like that and make your portfolio enjoyable to interact with, like a website or YouTube videos or I don't know, anything that like a manager can look at and think, oh, this guy is smart. Dang, really? So I don't need to work 10 hours a day for university. Well, I don't know. Going to university is probably the easier path. I don't know if it makes you better or anything. It's just like you have proof that you're competent at the end. So back to the thing. Back to the thing. What was I trying to do? So first number. Then can I have a case? Case just empty of first number. And this is just this means that there is basically no number, and so we can parse. And so rest number here, and we can do parse corrupted memory of just rest, I think. Like try the next character. In the case it's anything else. Wait, no, it's it's first number and then the empty string, and then here it's whatever this is. Then we can read the number. Fuck, this is a clusterfuck. How do I make this? Can I just have a function that says this is like a try parse int, which takes a string and returns is the maybe. I forgot. I think it's a maybe. Maybe a tuple of an integer and a string. So try parse int will take a string and it will do with the string. It will do the span is digit of s. And what we want to do is n rest like so is equal to this, and how do we literally want to do case of? So if this is an empty string and rest, we just return, what is it? It's just and it's not none. Wait, I'm confusing so much with Rust. Haskell, maybe. What is it? So it is called maybe, it's nothing or just, okay. So this is gonna be nothing. If it's like n and rest, this is gonna be just of read read n and rest, like so. Nothing, yes. Okay, it's not too bad. Let me just reorganize this slightly. Does this compile so that this is out of my mind? Is digit, I don't have is digit. Import data char, I assume. Yeah, so that works. How about transitioning from other majors like economic or accountancy? Well, I don't know. Like, you mean while staying in the university, or I don't know, it's like starting out from nothing. Like, I don't know, why not, I guess. I don't think like being in economics or accountancy will help you program in any way whatsoever. Yeah, I mean, it will definitely help you if you end up in a field where there is economics and programming at the end. But yeah, I don't think there is a lot of crossover, besides like oh, you're a logic person, you like solving puzzles and whatnot. Besides that very abstract view, I don't think there is much crossover. I mean, I guess it's better than a student from like art or literacy or whatever. Forgot how it's called. Like you read a lot of books or whatever. Although I don't fucking know. Oh damn, I forgot to ask. I think maybe in string will be more convenient. Oh, yeah, you're right. That might be better. Yeah, because I don't have the like here. I just return nothing without the rest. Okay, yeah, I see your point. I see your point. I see your point. Boop, 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 boom, like so. I guess I need to do this and does this compile? It does. How is life going in France? I'm not in France. I'm currently in Switzerland, and originally I'm from Belgium. Thanks, man. Love from India. By the way, 23. Oh, it's almost midnight. Um, do 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 do. Uh, so I have my weird thing. Good night. Yes, good night, my dude. So I can remove this garbage. Now, now. Can I? So there is a span, and this is. Hmm. Oh, how is life going in Switzerland? Yeah, it's pretty good. Switzerland is much better than Belgium as far as so far. I've been here for about a bit more than 4 months. Like, yeah, the taxes are crazy in Belgium, and yeah, like it's just a bit harder to find a job or find a cool job. Uh, and also, yeah, just the fact that it's less chaotic in Switzerland. Like the streets are clean, and there isn't any weird people on the tram or the buses. I don't have to pay attention to what other people are doing in the street. Uh, my girlfriend doesn't get harassed in the street. That's quite nice. Anyway, just seems like people are a bit more. I don't know. They have just more common sense. It seems. T'as pris le tram de Genève. No, I never went to Geneva except for the airport. Yeah, I just went to the airport twice and took the train. But currently I'm in Zug, and before that I was in Bern. Dying in Turkey, it's filled to the brim with dangerous people. Yeah, I mean it's fine, you know. Like I don't know Turkey, but it's like it's not like the end of the world, like if you're in Europe, but it's just annoying. It's like a whole part of my brain that was a whole part of my attention that was allocated toward like staying safe, like the basics of just not being stupid at night, has been like completely deallocated, and now I can just think of other stuff without worrying about that ever, which is quite nice. Same here in India. And at least 4 people die per day in India. Yeah, that that's bad. Although you have a huge country and a huge amount of people, so you know you can't make every single person happy. But there was this country in Central America, San Salvador, or something that has like the highest murder rate ever. Like what was it? Like 20 or 30 people die per day or something. And then the president, well, full like I don't know how to say it, like like a bit crazy and just fixed everything, kinda. But I mean, some innocent people got fucked as well. But it became the safest country. What the fuck am I doing? I have lost the thread of the Haskell. Here, quality of life is shit. Yeah, I heard India isn't great. Although I've never been there, but I've just watched the videos of Bold and Bankrupt on YouTube. He goes to Russia and India, and uh, and India seems like I don't know, complete chaos. I mean, yeah, okay, it must be nice. I don't know. As a tourist, maybe it's kind of somewhat fun to be like taken into the chaos and see everything. But if I would be like some programmer in India and have to live there, I would. I don't know. I feel like I need peace to focus and stuff, and that seems hard when everything is chaotic. Um, what the fuck was I doing? So, can I just is there some kind of span, but just with an index? Whatever. Otherwise, just so we can do let I don't know. Whatever. Foo. I'm tired of finding names. Drop for S, so that now we have like what's after the mul open parenthesis. Then I put this in, and then I try parse int, and this will be. I can actually probably do some kind of case on this of if it is a tuple with just n and rest 2, because again I'm tired to finding proper names. This can become we can basically kind of do the same thing. I mean, although it's horrendous, but yeah, I don't like this at all. I will clean it later. Except we just do this on drop. Yeah, I have to make sure it's a comma as well. Drop 1, rest 2. Message deleted. Ooh, message retracted. Did the guy just got banned? What did I do? I did nothing. Okay. What do you think about Elix, and are our questions making you annoyed? Not at all. I like interacting with chat, especially like it's after work. Like even if I get defocused from the problem, it's not. I don't know. It's not bad. So this will be N2. Elix, I don't know. I tried it for like 20 seconds, and I was like, yeah, it's really nice. Except, well, now I just have Neovim like set up to my liking almost perfectly, and I know how to modify it very easily. So I just don't really need Elix, you know. Like at some point I might get like conceptual and think, oh, minimalism and stuff and Rust, ooh. But for now, I don't know. I just want to build some stuff, you know. Anyway, I really gotta go. All right, we're supposed to make an encrypting algorithm this month. Which one are you gonna do? So if it works, I write on n1 times n2 plus plus. God, my coding is just horrendous. I hate it. I hate what I've done. But plus parse corrupted memory, and this is gonna be on the rest 2. And again, I have to drop 1 for the parenthesis, for the closing parenthesis, but I also have to assert that there is a closing parenthesis. I was supposed to, and I finish an entire textbook. Ah, well, that's good, but yeah, just yeah, you don't have to rush things. N1 and 2, rest 2. Actually, can I do like something like this? Wait, no, something like this. where I don't have to drop it now. That will be already better. And this I can just do the closing parenthesis here. And do, again, forget about dropping it. It's, wait, no. Could be, oh fuck, here I do have to, do I? No, okay, yeah. I can do that. Okay, I'm getting a bit confused, but yes, I can. And I don't have to drop it after. Like so. Now it's a horrible entire book is about math, hard part especially, and it's due this month. Oh, okay. Well, I don't know, the math of encryption is kind of nice actually. I kind of like it. I was doing, I re-implemented like the SHA-1 and the MD5 algorithm at some point. I did not quite understood the, like the deep math, but the fact that, I don't know, you have your algorithm, it applies to chunk by chunk and it tries to have the most randomness. I remember that it wasn't too bad. I do wonder how the math works out in the end. At some point, I should look at it. I finished 6 pages per day to finish it, and the exam are rapidly approaching. Yeah. I mean, reading the thing is probably not the priority because I don't know. I feel like if you just read it, you won't really understand it. I guess implementing your own thing is probably going to make you understand faster and better. Not the math of encryption, but the math about exams. The math about exams. Like how to do. I'm confused. So this is rest 2. This will be rest 3 because I'm a great namer. So okay, this should be kind of correct, except I have to handle the other cases now. So here there will be, if there is just something and like rest 2, this means that there was a number, but there is no comma. Then I think I can just do, I can just continue on rest 2. If there is nothing and rest 2, then I can do, oh, can I do like the pattern matching like so? Is that a thing? I forgot my Haskell. That's Rust. Can you do that in Haskell? You cannot. You cannot. I mean, you probably can in some way, and I'm sure Himsvolt or Lauren, if they are in chat, will correct me in a second. But so far I'll just copy paste. Up, like so, and you can just do too much everything else. Right. Indeed. Fuck. Is there a way though to like to like have multiple matching patterns like in Rust? You know, like this pattern or this pattern. Is this a thing in Haskell as well? To use the guard inside cases, you do. Oh. No, it's not the guard, it's like Rust pattern matching. It's like an OR kind of thing. Is there an example of this somewhere? Like this. Oops, it's a bit too big. Like, you know, it's like boop, 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 boop. Like 1 or 2, like this pattern or this pattern goes to this one. Anyways, I got to go. Bye. See ya. You have to start working 3 years in advance to recommended by teacher. And I'm 1 year late. Happy Haskelling. Happy sleeping, my dude. Case 1. Case 2. Yeah, I mean, C, yeah, but... Anyway, let me just copy paste this for the other thing. This will be rest 3. Let's kind of align the thing. This will be rest 3. Does this make sense? I think it kind of makes sense. Let's try to compile it. It does compile. Let's try to do parse, parse corrupted memory on contents. Let's see what it returns. Non-exhaustive pattern matching, that's bad. That is bad. Which line is it? Is that a line number? Parse corrupted memory. No idea, to be honest. There are a bunch of language extensions that make the patterns more convenient, but I haven't read all about them before. Haskell extensions are fun. I always use type application and lambda case. Lambda case, I remember using it somewhere, but I forgot what it does. Itself, parse corrupted memory itself doesn't handle empty strings. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, that's easy enough to fix. Although, how do you read that from this? Yeah, okay, non-exhaustive pattern matching in function. Okay, so they say the name of the function that doesn't have the full pattern matching. Okay, I see. So this will just be equal to 0. That is not correct. Oh, it is actually. That's... Damn, my ugly code worked. I'm happy. Actually, this could be abstracted in a function, which I will do later. But let's first do fetch input for day 3. Cat input. This seems fine. Let's run this on input and see if my weird thing kind of works. This is this big number. Let's see if it worked. Yay, it did work. Let's try to quickly refactor this. So parse corrupted memory, so parsing throws an exception before it terminates. Ah, okay, d'accord. 9 is the line and 1 is the character. Okay, okay. Most languages use colon between line and column. And the column, like if you know, yeah. Yeah, okay, my French accent is showing, but whatever. Lambda case just alone this. Along maybe. I'm really bad in English. Oh, lambda case just means you can have a case in a lambda. Okay, sure. I wonder why this wouldn't be possible without the lambda. I don't think that's it, huh? Haskell, lambda case. Whoops. Lambda case. Which is... Yeah, it is that. Okay. It's weird that you cannot do that by default, though. Case. This. No other syntax. Case. This. What kind of... So, there's a key. So this is like without lambda case. You have maybe string, map, and then you create your lambda, and you have a case inside. And here you just have your lambda. Oh, okay. Okay, I see. I see. Bisect by parity, case, this. It's a shorthand for taking an argument, then running a case. Okay, yeah. A lot of syntax sugar, I see. So can I quickly abstract this thing away? Because I think it's going to be basically the same thing, no? Oh, my try parse int could take a character. Could I just take... I mean, maybe it's a bit ugly, but could this just take a character? uh, after, uh, after, and we would like to have, well, this is fine. This would be after this, like so, and uh, and I guess this could just be S. Oops. And this would be like if it's not this, like, well, if it's like something else, we just return nothing and S. It's a shorthand for taking an argument and then running a case on it. Except matching with variable names doesn't work. After will be shadowed by the first character in rest. Oh, it will assign the character in. Oh, how do I do this though? Do I have to? Hmm. Come on, it would be neat if this worked. Isn't there like a language extension for that? Like if I do this weird syntax with 3 extra thing in between, it actually evaluates after. Yeah, I'm gonna use guards, but yeah. Um, so, what did you say? How do I use? I think you should make another function for minimizing nesting in parse correct error. Yeah, yeah, that's what I'm trying to do right now. It will. This should remove quite a bit. What did you say about like guards and pattern matching above? I forgot. You said something that I think I could use now. Boo-doo-boo-doo-boo? Yeah, maybe not. Uh, huh, can't find it anymore. Um, so this will just be rest. Can I do like my pattern matching literally here? That would be strange. Is that a thing? Like if this is like first flag rest is equal to this. Like I don't know. C. I can't do this. That's epic. If C is equal to after, then if, well, actually it's different than after. No, I can do this, or at least the syntax highlighter doesn't agree. Otherwise, actually, wait, getting highly confused. Yeah, yeah. This is better. This will compile, you tell me. I don't think it will. Lose the closing parenthesis. Did I? Hmm. Haskell. Wait, don't I need to just indent this after the case? Oh yeah, right. This makes more sense now. Up. Okay. Possibly incorrect indentation or mismatched brackets. So can I do one more indentation for this? And now I'm back at another error. One more indentation. No, just on 24 you changed to rest, so my words is nothing. On line 24, you change to rest. One more indentation. So I did one more indentation. Maybe this is this. Can I just go back to just printing nothing? Just to test if this will ever compile. So no. Found hole. Oh no, this is not a hole that I want. I know the whole thing. Like the whole thing. The whole or fuck, I cannot distinguish like whole and all. Otherwise not. Oh, fuck me. I'm rusty. I'm rusty in Haskell. I am quite rusty. Yep. Okay, that makes more sense. So can I go back to this? Can I go back to this? And so now if C matches the... If C doesn't match the thing, we return nothing. Otherwise, we return the correct number. And now I can modify my code to try parse int. Maybe I should put the car first. This will be a bit cleaner, I think. I need to modify it here. And this shall be this. And here it shall be a closing parenthesis, like so. And now I don't need to match on this. Yeah. Now I don't need to match on this either. Maybe it doesn't help. In my head it did, but maybe it just doesn't. Yeah, maybe it's just... Wait. And I get 0 as well, so that's not good. Maybe I should have tried to just continue instead of trying to optimize right away. What did I do wrong? And so I'm skipping the character if it's there. If it's different, I just return S. Case, try parse int. And after must come a comma. If we do have this and we have a rest, then we try to parse another integer. And it must end with a parenthesis. How does this compile? Wait. Oh, no, it does. Okay, never mind. And we do this on rest2. And rest2 will be this, so without the comma, which is good. And then we have this rest3. And so rest3 will be after the closing parenthesis, which is what we want. And here, if there is anything else, it will be rest3. Actually, can't I do like some monads type thing? Well, I'm getting maybe a bit... Wait, no, if I want a monad, I need this whole thing to be a maybe. Okay, I'm going into full Haskell land. I don't care. Yeah, but I need the rest as well. How do I do some like chaining of this? Oh well, whatever. Let's go back to what I had before. Well, I give up. Okay, this worked. Yes, it did. Let's just do part 2 and then worry maybe about other cleaning. Part 2. As you scan through the corrupted memory, you notice that some of the conditional statements are also still intact. If you handle some of the uncorrupted conditional statements in the program, you might be able to get even more accurate result. An even more accurate result. There are two new instructions you'll need to handle. The do instruction enables future null instructions. The don't instruction disables the future null instructions. Only the most recent do or don't instruction apply at the beginning of the program. Null instructions are enabled. For example, mul, don't, mul, do, mul. Well, so the don't and do are just togglers, like the don't. It will skip this one. It will. This one is invalid. This one is valid, but there is a don't. Okay, so don't disables future null instructions with an S. Okay, so it's like just a toggle for parsing. Okay. So can I do something like parse corrupted memory with the string and also the toggle, like so. So the I don't know, or just call it toggle, whatever. And it starts at true by default. And so this will be just yeah, whatever. And we can do something like take so there is like do, which is 4 characters. So if we take s and it's actually equal to do parenthesis, we can parse corrupted memory with the not toggle. No, with just true. If we take what is it? 6. No, it's 7, I think. So 1, 2, 3. Yes. Like don't. This will be false. Otherwise, this will be just toggle, like so. This will be the toggle. This will be the toggle. This will be the toggle. My parse function is a string int and uses from maybe parse drop for str. Do to abort and move on if mul fails to parse. And uses from maybe. What does from maybe do? From, oh, maybe I need to go back to this. From maybe. What does it take? From maybe takes a default value. Ah, okay. Wait, is it? Takes an A, maybe A, and if it's nothing, it. Okay, I see. So from maybe parse this or do to abort. I don't quite see what you mean, but it's hard with the chat. Let me quickly test if my like dirty toggle thing works. Equation for parse corrupted have different number of arguments. Where did I forget this? Oh, okay, here. Is this any different than what I had before? So this is like 700. This? No, this is the same. This is the same number. Let's try with the second example. Exclap example 2. Example 2, like so. Am I... What's happening? You don't handle toggle's value. You just parse it and pass false and do nothing with it. Oh! Thank you for reminding me that I'm fucking stupid. Right. So can I do if toggle then yeah, I know it's horrible Haskell. Else 0. I'm sorry for your bleeding eyes. 48. It works. Let's try on the input. This is the new number. Let's try it. Yay, it works. You parse it, pass false, and do nothing with it. Okay. So, it works, but it's a piece of shit. I hate it, the way I did it. So, how do I fix this without writing a full parser combinator? Because your monad thing seems like your monadic way of doing things seems quite nice. And also I'd like to reuse this for the part 1 and the part 2. Rewrite to C for fix that. Yeah, no, I'm not rewriting this in C. I want to keep using my Haskell, my dear Haskell, that I haven't used in too long. Well, I feel like already here I could just do like toggle equal like not toggle equal 0. Otherwise, well, it's not equal, it's this, but or is it? I'm not sure. Otherwise, it's this. No, it's not 0. It's actually just this. Otherwise, it's this. It's this. Does this compile still? It does not, because I probably need like one more space. Yes, and it's the same answer as before. Yes, it is. Okay, that's slightly better than my dirty if else, but oh well, that doesn't fix. Use guards is prefix off in the do block to fail, and this makes it fall back to from maybe's values. The guard. So in your do block, I remember you can have a guard, and it just like it's kind of like an early return. Or is it something else? This is a ripoff of. Oh no, guards is just this. Okay, yeah. Forgot they're called guards. No, there is a function guard. Am I crazy? Yeah, there is. Okay. Takes an alternative. No, it doesn't take an alternative. The F is an alternative. Takes a boolean. And I'm guessing if it's like false, it will return early, kinda. Google it is just an early return. Okay. I love that you said Google it. That's good. That's Haskell lingo that I need to learn. So this part is kind of fine. And you said is prefix of. Is that a thing? Oh, yeah. Oh, this is 10 times better than my drop. Function takes two lists and returns true if the first list is. Okay. Fuck me, finally. God damn. Okay. Is prefix of. And so, hello is. Okay, it's like a. Supposed to be used as an infix thing. So this is much better. So is prefix of s, then this. So does this lead to the... I need to import it. This is in data list. Data list is a prefix of, and this is a digit. Okay, it's the same result. That's good. Well, it doesn't take less space, but it makes it way more readable, and I don't have to specify the number of characters, which is much better already. So this is this, and again this. And so I have to say here, I have to say not, I think, yeah. It's kind of badly aligned, but okay, same result. Well, you can see because of my camera, but same result. Can I kinda align this up? Well, it's not the best, but yeah, readable enough. And so so use from maybe parse drop for do. What I would like is like a do block. Then I would like to say n1, this. I'm just gonna like pretend that it works and then fix it later, or maybe fix it later. So I would like this, or at least that's what that is what's in my head. Drop 4. Yeah, sure. Like so, and of course rest. Otherwise, I would like this, like rest 1, rest 2, and this should be like a closing parenthesis, and this will be, this won't be this, this will be like rest 1 or something. Yeah. And I would like after to say, well, let's forget the toggle for now. I would like to say just this, if this makes sense. I don't know if it's something I can do, or like a return or whatever. I mean, return would put it in a thing. I don't think that will work. And so for that, this would need to return a maybe and not a tuple with a maybe in it, I think. Yeah, then try parse in should return. Yeah, okay. That I understand. Then this is just nothing. How do I get the rest though? Well, if it's nothing, I guess the rest is just string. Or like the rest at the top of the thing, so that's easy enough, I guess. So this is nothing, and this will be like just the tuple will be here. Okay. Let's comment all that to not get distracted. Okay. And so if it's nothing at any point, it will return early. And then you do from maybe. Is that your thing? And then like if this whole do block fails, we want to go to the next one. So we want to do parse corrupted memory. Ah, okay, your parse that you showed earlier is just your my parse corrupted memory function. Okay. On rest. And then do I need to say return? If this works, I would be the happiest man on earth. Okay. There is do block, and you mentioned that I just need to like fix this, like so. So from maybe thing int. Oh yeah, my bad. I need to include the toggle here. From maybe is where? From maybe. From maybe is in data maybe. Okay, sure. That seems fine enough. Maybe. From maybe. Okay, and rest 3 doesn't exist, so here what we do would be rest 2. Okay. There is no rest 3 anymore, indeed. Indeed. So, oh, did I just, oh yeah, okay, I just, now I need to remodify my try parse int thing, because I removed it earlier, so this should be character, this will be after, and this shall be this shall be this, and then we have here the thing where if c is equal to after, then it's just, otherwise it becomes nothing. In function parse corrupted memory. Okay, because I deleted this, that makes sense. Yeah. It is not the same. Is this like the first answer? I think it is. Wait, let me quickly check. Oh yeah, it works! Fuck, that's epic. I love monads. I love them. I love them. Let's try to do the part 2 again. So the part 2, I just need an if here. So can I just do your thing with the guard, like a guard toggle? Does that work? Is it that simple? No. Okay, no, okay, there is no guard, so maybe it's somewhere. Where is guard? Guard, which is in control monad. Okay. Control monad. Guard. Oh! Is that the correct answer again? That's... It is! Fuck me, that's epic. I mean, I say that's epic, but we've kind of emulated like procedural programming in Haskell, except it's extremely clean. I use guard to throw away. Oh, I see what you mean. Like you can say guard, like what is this? Like C something, like C1, like C2, and then you say guard C1 is equal to this. Okay. I catch your vibe. This. Which is indeed, well, you know what? I'm gonna copy you. I don't care. Well, let me just try it first. It seems quite neat. Let's remove this garbage. And now it doesn't take this, doesn't take this. What did I do? What did I do? Oh yeah, forgot to remove this. Maybe just like that. 0. Oh, regarde. No. Fuck. I don't know how you did. How much code was written in Haskell just for advent of code? I don't know. Probably a lot. I don't know. Wait. No, no. This. Oh, yeah, right. My bad. Need to just say rest here. Couldn't match expected type. Do I actually need this? Oh, yeah, it still works. That's fucking epic. That is epic. And if I just remove the guard toggle, I get the original one, the part 1. That's neat. I like that. I like that. Yeah, I do like your method a bit better. So I will just keep it. Let's align things a tiny bit. And now, how do I make this like the toggle optional? How do I make the toggle optional? Hmm. Eh, can I just say like, can this all become like, can this, can I do this? Like inner? Okay. Can I say parse corrupted memory, which takes bool, bool. Yeah, maybe that wouldn't work. Like I wanted to do an inner function that takes is the toggle active or not? Is the toggle used? And then do a where. But it's this logic that I need to remove, or this logic that I need to remove. So maybe not. Hmm. Let's try the dumb way first. Part 1, like so. This will be part 1. And this will be false. What is wrong? What is wrong? What is wrong? Couldn't match type char. Oh, maybe I just forgot to update the type. Yeah, okay. Bool, this. Okay, now it works. And can I... It's gonna be a bit weird. Can I just say if part 1, then return, although return is not return, else this? I don't write types in AOC to speed myself up. Yeah, I don't really care about speed. I just like to type my at least the upper functions to know a bit what I'm working with, to avoid getting myself confused. Okay, yeah, I need to do something in the return as well. Can I return just 0? Guard part 1 orthogonal. Oh, yes. I am forgetting how computers work. Yeah, I just need to Okay, part 1 is false, then part 1 is true. And yeah, that works. It annoys me that I have to pass the part 1 everywhere. I don't like this. I do not like this. Can I do like where inner takes, well, can I like shift all this and this takes just toggle and this? Uh, can I do this? And like this is becomes inner, and can remove all the part 1. Oops, well, this is indeed removed. This becomes inner. This becomes inner. This, and this is inner as well. I don't know if this is the line. It is. Does that work? Equation inner have different number of arguments. Yes, because this one means 2. Okay. Oh, it works. Ah, that's nice. Okay. Okay, I feel nice now. Okay. Okay. I don't like. Okay. It's good. It's good. I like it. Yeah. That's. I think that's as neat as it's gonna get. I think it is. All right. So let's just do. Let's result 1 is equal to this true, and result 2 is going to be this, but false, and then let's do import. What is it? Text, printf, printf. And let's do printf. Part 1 is this. We are this, and part 2, this is part 2. And it still is good. Okay. I'm quite happy with this day because it started like being like disgusting, and thanks to, well, thanks to hisms vault, it's quite nice now. I'm not sure if read is monadic in some way, but I've just realized my solution doesn't handle the case where a parsed digit is empty. Not sure if read is monadic. You mean that if the read fails? Oh. Well, no, I have a span. I have a span is digit, so the read will never fail. Hi, hey, hello. You're a bit late, but yeah, I learned some more stuff and it works. I'm quite happy. Was able to do like the parsing in a monadic way, which is quite nice. I kind of love this. Like before, it was this horrendous case chaining. I just do left rest is equal first read int span is digit drop 4. First read int. What is the first? Wait, no. FST is for tuples. I forgot what first is. First. Oh. Oh, is it your control arrow? Oh, okay. Never mind. Never. No control arrow for this advent of code. I'm done with that. Just applies a function to the left element of a tuple. Ah, okay. Just applies a function to the. Okay. So it will apply the function read to the left element of span is digit drop forster. Oh. Oh, okay, I get it now. Because span returns a tuple. Okay, and it makes it so that it kind of like maps the read. And so in your tuple, in your result tuple, left is already an integer. I used megaparsec today. I used megaparsec today, but I saw two very nice and short different approaches. Yeah, I was thinking of the parser combinator thing, then I was like, really, for a mul and some parentheses, there ain't no way I'm using some parser combinator thing for that kind of simple things. Yeah. Thinking about it now, first is probably what makes reads failure return nothing. Ah, yeah, I understand, because span is digit could like return an empty list, and then, GHCI. So if you do read on an empty string, and you convert that to an integer, you get an exception. First makes read failure return nothing. Alors, I don't get it, but I see your approach. At least I understand one thing from control arrows, which is nice. Boom, 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 boom. All right, but I think I'm quite happy with how this day turned out. Although I don't like the drop 4 thing, because like the size of null parentheses, that's, I don't know, I find it a bit ugly. Maybe, but yeah, is it really worth optimizing? I'm not sure. Like optimizing for readability, I mean. Yeah, no, I'm happy. I think I will end the stream now. Thank you very much for to Hymns Vault and the other people that helped me and made me learn some new stuff about Haskell, or like just fixed random syntax things. My Haskell solution was inspired by my Vimregig solution wrote on split on function and did split on do then map split on don't. Wait, split on is a Vim thing? Split? No. Split on. Data list. Oh, okay. Oh, but that's what I wanted in the previous day. That's kind of like the partition thing. Oh no, never mind. It's a package split. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm just confused. Another approach is using split on, which I got from FME and yeah. Okay, but yeah, it's true. Okay. I could use like the split, of course, like that would be like the default behavior in any sane language, but Haskell doesn't have split by default. And I would like to use only the standard library as much as possible, and only use a package if I must. Because Haskell is already complex enough, and I just don't want to add any other package for now, unless I need to. Yeah, it's a package, I wrote it myself. You wrote the split package? Damn. I used your package like 5 years ago then for something. I forgot what it was. Did you write the split package? Are you an epic Haskeller? I think I did use the split package at some point, but I don't fucking remember. Wait, cache something. Repositories. Can I sort language? Haskell. So I wrote an implementation of the function in my invent of code. Oh, okay. I thought you literally wrote the package. No, but I did use the split package somewhere, at some point in my life. I forgot where though. Hmm. Oh well. Oh well. Oh yeah, here, split. I'm just relearning Haskell with AOC like you. Oh, nice. Seem to be much better than me, but that's good for me, so yeah. But yeah, I really love Haskell. The only I only did like 2 projects that I ran to completion with it, and I loved it a lot. It's just that sometimes I wanted to do like something like a web server, like an HTTP server in Haskell or something, like a Nginx in Haskell or something. And yeah, I don't know. As soon as you add libraries and other people's code, I'm like, ah, so complicated. Uh, so yeah, but I would really like to keep doing those maybe more algorithmic projects. So the other solution, which is very short and nice, was just using regex. Yeah, that's what I look at first, but I was like, oh, it's a package. Never mind then. So yeah. Words by. What is words by? Up. Words by. Yeah, it's also words by is also in the split package. I remember like a long time ago I made like a gist. Where am I gist? I want to uh, my gist. You your gist. A very long time I also where's my split thing? Don't I have a Haskell split thing? Because I remember being very surprised that there is no split by default in Haskell. Hello! Hello there. I think we're pretty much done finite impulse, but implementation of word by is ultra easy. Yeah, I know, but I would like also like to learn the standard library. Like I don't want to copy paste. Ah, there you go. Here's my the split.hs that I was so frustrated that it didn't exist in Haskell that I think this is something from the internet, or maybe I wrote it myself, I forgot. Uh, so yeah, I did use to copy paste this from time to time in my code, but you know. Hi here, I'm late to the party. Done already? Yes, we are done. Here is the Haskell solution that we got. I'll post it on GitHub now, but well, actually, can I do? What is the diff on this? Oh. Boom, 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 and yeah, that's all. That's all fine. Day 03 push, and it's using span. Yeah, indeed. Alright, I think I will go eat because it's quite late, and well, I need food. So yeah, thank you everyone for helping me and uh, yeah, just interacting in the chat and so on. It's quite nice. I enjoy a lot these Haskell streams. I'm actually quite surprised that there is like a few people that are better at Haskell than me that are helping me. That's great. Bon appétit. Merci. Merci, mon ami. And means thank you, my friend. And yeah, see ya.